Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I watched the TEDx talk living in Dinar Salimin changed by Ikra Khajil. This talk is very important and important because it explains the problem of climate change in a simple way. Climate change means the earth is changed because of pollution and human activities. In this talk, the speaker explains that many people ignore this problem, but is it affecting our world every day? I learned that the weather is changed a lot. Sometimes it becomes very hot. Sometimes there are very rainy and floods, glaciers and melting, and sea levels are rising. These changes are harmful for human, animal, and nature. The speaker also explains that pollution is in screens because of smoke from car, factories, and plastic waste. This pollution is damage or environment and making the earth humanity. One important message for from this TEDx talk is the we should not ignore climate change. We all must take responsibility and care of our environment. We can help in a simple way. We should plant tree because tree give us clean air. We should save water by not wasting, and we should save electricity by turning off lights when not needed. We should also reduce plastic as and keep our children cleaning. Oh, thank you for listening to my presence. Allah Hafiz.